Assalamu alaikum, and today's video is about general knowledge which contain 50 questions. So it may help you in different tests like NTS, PTS, PSC and many others. So first question is, where's Mazar-e-Qaid? So it's a very simple. Mazar-e-Qaid is in Karachi. A option is the right option. Question number second, what is the abbreviation of USB? So its abbreviation is A is not a right option, so B is the right option. Universal Serial Bus. Number third, how many zeros are there in 1 billion? If I see the how many zeros are in 1 million, so 1 million has 6 zeros, 10 power 6, and 1 billion is 9 zeros, 10 power 9. So it is a 9 0. Option B is the right answer. Question number 3, CABI stands for it's a 4. Mistakenly it's written in 3 questions, so it's a 4 question. CABI stands for, it's a kilobyte, it's just memory of the computer. Question number 5, what is the old name of Hyderabad? So first option is Karachi. Karachi is the old name of Karachi, and so C option is the right answer. Nerun is the right answer. Nerun is the old name of Hyderabad. Question number 6, what is the old name of Iraq? So Constantinople is the old name of Turkey, so B is the right option. Mesopotamia is the old name of Iraq. Question number 7, what is the water percentage in human blood? So it's a 90%. C option is the right answer. Question number 8, what is the capital of China? Wuhan, Shanghai, New Delhi or Beijing? So Beijing is the right. New Delhi is the capital of India, so Beijing is the capital of China. What is the old name of Iran? So first option is the right option, so Persia is the old name of Iran. Question number 10, what is the capital of USA? So its capital is Washington DC. New York is the biggest city of USA, so Washington DC is the capital of USA. Question number 11, Pentagon is a military headquarter of which country? So it is the headquarter of USA, so option A is the right answer. Question number 12, what is the height of peak of Himalayas? So option A, K2. K2 is the highest peak of second highest peak of Karakoram, and B is Mount Everest, the first highest peak of the Karakoram ranges. So Naga Parbat is the peak of the Himalaya ranges, so C option is the right answer. Question number 13, first country who issued the paper currency, it is the China. The D option is the right answer. Question number 14, when did Sir Syed Ahmad Khan set MAO, Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental High School in Aligarh? Options are A, B, C and D. So C is the option, right option for question number 14, 1875. Where is Rawal Lake? Question number 15 is, where is Rawal Lake? A, Islamabad, B, Lahore, C, Peshawar and D, Quetta. So A option is the right answer, Islamabad. Which country got the most Nobel Prize in Muslim countries? So it's Egypt. Option A is the right answer. Question number 17, chemical that is used for artificial rain. Options are silver nitrate, silver iodide, silver chloride, silver nitrate. So silver iodide is the right option. Question number 18, who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Nicholas Copernicus. Nicholas Copernicus. Option A is the right answer. Question number 19, who gave the title of Mahatma to the Gandhiji? So he was given the title of Gandhiji by the Rabindranath Tagore. Option A is the right answer. Question number 20, first truly global war was 7 years, 100 years, World War II or 30 years? So 7 years is the right option. 7 years war was fought between the France and Britain. Question number 21, 1946, Liaquat Ali Khan was assigned the portfolio of Foreign Affairs, Home, Finance or Defense. So C is the right option. He was given the portfolio of Finance. Question number 22, Siachen, Batoro and Chogolugma glaciers are situated in which mountain ranges? Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush, Sulayman. So they are lying in the Karakoram range. Question number 23, Lahore Fort, Attock Fort were constructed by Babur, Akbar, Humayun or Jahangir. So these were constructed by Akbar. Question number 24, name the youngest Prime Minister of USA. Henry Truman, John F. Kennedy, Andrew Jackson, or none of these. So John F. Kennedy is the right answer. He was the youngest Prime Minister of USA. John F. Kennedy. 25. Nascent is the parliament of which country? China, Russia, Israel, or Yemen? So it is the parliament of Israel. C option right answer. Question number 26. What is the national bird of Pakistan? So it's very easy. So Chakor is the national bird of Pakistan. So C option is the right answer. Chakor. Question number question number 27. What is the importance of Baku city? Tanning industries, oil centers, seaport, or coal mining? So it is famous by oil center. B option is the right answer. B option is the right answer. Where was the Jesus Christ was born? It's Iraq, Jerusalem, Mecca, or Medina. So Jerusalem is the right option for the question number 28. Question number 29. Golan Heights is dispute between A option is Syria and Israel. B option Syria, Israel and Iraq. C option Iran and Iraq. D option Kuwait or Iraq. So A option is the right answer of question number 29. So Golan Heights is between Syria and Israel. Question number 30. Who made the fastest entry in 54 balls? Brandon McCullum, Chanderpaul, Shahid Afridi, or Brian Lara. So Brandon McCullum is the right option. Pakistan recognized China in which year? So Pakistan recognized China in 1950 years. So planet nearest to the Earth: Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, or Saturn? So Venus is the right answer. So it is very near to the planet, to the Earth. 33. Who was the first Prime Minister of Quaid-e-Azam? Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? So options are Allama Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan, and Sir Aga Khan. So first Prime Minister of Pakistan was Liaquat Ali Khan. C option is the right answer. So Quaid-e-Azam was the first Governor General of Pakistan. 34. Headquarters of UNICEF. So headquarters of UNICEF is in New York. Infitida means uprising. Where's the deepest lake? Bekel. So Bekel, where's Bekel? USA, Netherlands, Canada, Russia. So Bekel Lake is in Russia. Question number 37. First Pakistani to host the Pakistan flag at the North and South Pole. Options are Nazir Sabir, Saima Salim, Numera Salim, or Ifat Ashif. C option right option, Numera Salim. So he hosts the Pakistani flag at North and South Pole. 38. Which is the oldest forest of Pakistan? Changamanga, Juniper, Chitral, or Chitwatni? So Juniper is the oldest forest of Pakistan. B option is the right option. 39. Which is the brightest planet in the universe? Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, or Saturn? So brighter planet is the Venus. C is the right option. Question number 40. Gaza is the famous strip of Jordan, Palestine, Iraq, or Egypt? Palestine is the right option. So it's a famous strip of Palestine. Question 41. Greenwich, a city of London, is famous for calculating the time, beautiful gardens, both of them, or none of these? So Greenwich, a city of London, is famous for calculating the time. Option A is the right answer. 42. Who presented the national flag for formal approval to the Constitution of Assembly on 11th of August 1947? Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Bogra, Fazl Haq, Liaquat Ali Khan. So Liaquat Ali Khan is the right answer. Question number 43. Where is the Golden Gate? New York, London, San Francisco, of all of these. So Golden Gate is in San Francisco. Question 44. Official residence of Pope is in. Pope is a Christian church area. So it is located in England, America, or Vatican. So Vatican is the right answer. Question number 45. Which of the following has unwritten constitution? Canada, UK, USA, or Russia? So which country has an unwritten constitution? It is a UK. B option is the right answer. Question number 46. Which gas is used in the bulb? Nitrogen, hydrogen, chlorine, and carbon dioxide. Argon is also used in bulb. So and nitrogen also used in the bulb. So A is the option, right option. Question 47. Statue of Liberty is located in Hague, Geneva, New York, or Paris. So Statue of Liberty is located in New York. C is the right option. 48. Afghanistan separated from the Central Asia by Wakhan, Aral River, Caspian Sea, or Oxus River. So it is separated from the Central Asia by Oxus River. D option is the right answer. Question 49. Deficiency of C causes the which disease? Night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, or none other. So night blindness is caused by the lack of vitamin A. Beriberi is caused by the lack of vitamin B, and deficiency of vitamin C causes the scurvy. Question 50. What is the normal temperature of human body? 37 centigrade, 98.6 Fahrenheit, A and B, or none of these. So and centigrade it's 37, and Fahrenheit 98.6. Both are right options. C is the right answer.